Hi, welcome to the Pony Jorgensen workshop. Today, we're going to show you the features and applications of the 50-inch Jorgensen cutting rail guide. The Jorgensen 50-inch cutting rail guide will make any cutting project a breeze and give your work a professional quality look. The rail guide is made from extruded rigid aluminum and features a clamp to secure it to a surface. The guide includes a ruler so you can make your cuts precise. Simply line up your rail guide to create your desired edge. Then line up the clamp with the edge of your workpiece. Turn the handle 90 degrees counterclockwise to tighten the clamp. When you're done, loosen the handle to release. The 50-inch Jorgensen cutting rail guide can be combined with the Jorgensen 50-inch extension rail guide to give you a 100-inch cutting guide. The extension rail can be attached by sliding the ends together and then removed by pressing the quick release button. No screwing necessary. When using the extension, turn the handle 90 degrees clockwise to tighten. The Jorgensen 50-inch cutting rail guide is perfect for cutting straight edges with circular saws, routers, jigsaws, and other portable power equipment. Thank you for stopping by the Pony Jorgensen workshop. For additional information, please visit ponyjorgensen.com.